Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week is week number 6 of our bathroom renovation, and we're going to show you how we installed this vanity and sink. We put a few extra touches to it that are our flair, and so we're going to show you how we went about doing that.
And with that,
Cue music.
Now we're going to remove the vanity from the area from the wall, and what we're going to do is take a box cutter and cut off the strip right here so we can get detached from the wall. Be very careful.
The vanity didn't come out as easy as I thought. Can't quite figure out where it is, but it appears that it might even be glued to the walls, and so we're going to have to take this out piece by piece, and since I don't have a sledgehammer, we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way with a little hammer. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Before we install the cabinet, we decided that we wanted to paint a portion of this to make it more beautiful to us. So it's easier to work with the cabinet in the spare room than in the bathroom itself, so we can get all the pipes in place before we take it into the bathroom.
And we're going to use a strong adhesive that's oozing right now. We're going to put this on the top of the vanity cabinet here, and then we're going to put the sink on top of that. Okay, Mrs. Poorman washed all the pipes that were underneath, so that'll make it a little bit easier to work with. But the plan is to put these back on exactly how we had it with the previous sink. But please be aware that the pipes or the drain that you purchased may be different in that the sink drain may be farther forward. It may be, there's different widths and so forth, and so it may be left, maybe further back. There could be all kinds of different things. The height could be higher or lower, and the pipes that you had on hand may not work for this. So just be aware. Just so you know, we test fitted, and it actually did work, so we're going to be able to use exactly what we had before.
We sure hope you enjoyed our video this week, and please leave some comments in the box below. This helps us to improve our video channel.
And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. That helps our channel to grow, and we'll be able to put out more content for you. Next week is week number 7 in our bathroom renovation, and we're going to show you how we retiled the bathroom. This turned out to be interesting,
very challenging
project, but we knew that it was going to be that way going into it because we used some things that were a little bit different, and so we expected it, and it turned out to be difficult, but the end result was well worth it. We're very happy with it, and we're looking forward to showing you that. So until next week,
bye-bye.